Good morning. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day so far. So today is November 13th, Friday the 13th, and I know I'm chomping at the bits. I'm ready for this day to be over. I'm ready for this year to be over. Hopefully everything is good today. Usually Friday the 13th I actually have really good luck, so here's to hoping. So how are y'all doing? I hope you are doing fantastic, having a great day. So as you can see, I am filming in a different location. This is my kitchen. I know, I never film up here, so a couple of things I want to address really quickly. One, it is very echoey in this room, hence the reason why I never film up here, because it's just the sound quality is not very good. And two, the dishwasher is on. So if you hear like agitation of water sloshing around dishes, that's what that is. So I have actually a very busy day today. I have to go to Walmart and prepare for next week's video. So I am super stoked about next week's video. I think it's going to be so good. I'm not going to hint at anything, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me shopping today. I'm gonna show you what's going on at Walmart. The Walmart, y'all, I went a couple of days ago, so I hadn't been since quarantine, since before quarantine. And they've been busy. One thing I wanna just address really quickly is a status update on Lauren. A lot of y'all have been asking. If you don't follow me on Instagram or my Insta stories, if you don't watch those, that's where I post a lot of like updates and things that are happening in day-to-day life. So on there, I actually said that she was doing fantastic, like no more symptoms, everything was good. She was a-okay. Well, that is not the case anymore. So she was supposed to start going back to school yesterday. The day before yesterday, she actually started with symptoms again. So she had the shortness of breath. She started back having a really puffy, really irritated rash on her face. She started back, she never had fever, but she started having the diarrhea, the nausea, like everything else that was associated with this stupid virus. So we've talked to the doctors, we've talked to the school nurse. I just got off the phone with the guidance counselor there, and I'm gonna be going in a couple of minutes to her school and bring in her doctor's excuses and, you know, school excuses and stuff so she can catch up on her work and won't be counted as a zero because, you know, if you have kids in school, you know how it is. So, yeah, it seems to be pretty common. As long as she doesn't start running fever or have a spiked fever, then they don't seem to be really concerned, which puts our mind at ease. I tell you, the other day, whenever she started having that rash and stuff again, I just broke down in tears. Like, it has been overwhelming with this virus. And some people have it really bad. Some people don't really have any symptoms. It's just so weird. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know because I have been getting a lot of messages. People have been asking me a lot of questions, seeing how she's doing. Really sweet. I so appreciate all the love and all the comments, and it just means the world to me. So anyway, I'm gonna put up some of these groceries. I have some stuff to make hamburger po' boys. If you don't know what a po' boy is, it's a really good sandwich. So we're gonna be making blackened shrimp po' boys, and since I'm weird and I don't eat shrimp, I'm gonna be making hamburger po' boys for myself. So I have some stuff for that. Of course, I have some chips to go on the side. So I have the kettle cooked chips, and I have some veggies that are gonna go on the side of that too. So yeah, I'm just gonna put up these groceries and yeah, come share the day with me.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Caravans alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
All right, y'all, so I just made it to Walmart. It is 3 o'clock on the dot. I have been in TJ Maxx for way too long. I found some really good stuff in there though, so I'm gonna share all of my goodies with y'all whenever I get home. I haven't even eaten today, so I'm feeling a little bit lightheaded, but it is what it is. I'll probably stop and pick up something on the way home or get something in Walmart. We'll just have to see how I'm feeling whenever I go in there. So I'm about to mask up and get it going. This is that mask. If you didn't see my favorites video a couple of months ago, if you haven't yet seen that video, I will link it up here somewhere. But this is a really good mask from the brand Impower. It was designed by a famous fashion designer called Prabal Gurung, and I just love the way it looks, and it contours to my face so nicely. So if you're interested in this, I will link it down in the description box below. So without further delay, because I got a headache and I'm ready to go into Walmart, let's get a going.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snow.
All right, y'all, so I just left Walmart. It is now 3:32. Not too bad. I was only in there for about 30 minutes or so. So now I am in the Taco Bell drive-through because I didn't find anything that I wanted at Walmart. Walmart was packed, y'all. It was packed. Of course, it's a Friday afternoon. Everybody's picking up stuff for the weekend and all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through this drive-through real quick. I'm gonna get a couple of $5 boxes because that's what my husband wants. So, uno momento. Taco Bell does good things to my body.
Maybe 12 even, how are you?
All right, good. How you doing?
Doing good.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. So I just got home about 45 minutes ago or so. Came inside, chilled out for a little bit, finished my Taco Bell, what was left of it anyway. Answered some emails, did a little Instagramming and Facebooking, and now I'm ready to sort out everything that I got at TJ Maxx. But I promised y'all that I would show you what I picked up, so let's get into it. So you can't go to TJ Maxx without picking up some candles. So I picked up 4 different candles, right? Yeah, 4 different candles. And I have a specific brand that I really prefer when it comes to TJ Maxx. And that brand is Scentsational. Scentsational Candles, I have just found that I really like. It kind of jives with my whole vibe. I like a stronger smell, but not one that's going to give me a headache, and I don't like toilet bowl. So I picked up the Midnight scent from Scentsations. Oh, this smells so good. So this was $12.99. This is a coconut blend wax candle. And then I also picked up Fireside. So anything that has Fireside, that says Fireside, Marshmallow Fireside, By the Fireside, like any of those scents, I love. So this is also from the brand Scentsational. And then I found this candle that I thought looked really cool. So this is what the container looks like, and this is from the brand the Woodsman, and this is smoked birch, and it smells It smells so good. I love that kind of like fiery, almost like a masculine scent. I really like it, but it's just not overpowering. It's just perfect. And then the final one that I picked up is called Fireside, and this one is from the brand Farmhouse, and I just love the way this looks. It has a wooden top, and it's this like smoky, almost like a smoky quartz color. So that was all the candles that I picked up. So the next couple things that I picked up from TJ Maxx are gifts for my kids. So several years ago, I used to work at Macy's as a freelance makeup artist for Lancome, and Marc Jacobs had just launched their Decadence perfume line, and I always wanted to get it. I never could afford it back then, but I found it at TJ Maxx today, and I got this for my youngest daughter. She loves perfume. She's been begging me for perfumes, so I got this for her for Christmas as a Christmas gift. This was $22. I could not pass it up. So Marc Jacobs Decadence smells very, very good. It's very sweet, but it's something that I think that she would really, really like. And I also picked her up a new phone charger. So this is what it looks like. She's been asking me for a while for a new phone charger. Hers is starting to go out, and she's always using mine, so I figured while I was there that I would get this. This was $12.99, and I liked it because it's really pretty and glittery. You see that? So it's very girly, and I thought that she would really like that. So the next thing I picked up is from my oldest daughter, and it is a coffee mug, and it says Optimist on it. So I thought that was really cute. It's very her, and it even has a to and from little tag on it. This is from the brand Sheffield Home, and it was $3.99. So I couldn't pass it up. So the next two things are cleaning supplies, and y'all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I love to clean. I'm a clean freak. So I picked up 2 of the Sprayway all-purpose cleaners. These clean glass like nobody's business. I love the way they smell. I use them on glass, I use them on wood, I use them on toilets, and they work really, really well. So I got 2 of these. These were $2.99 a piece, and when you get them at Walmart, I think they're like $3.99 or almost $4. So I did save a little bit there. So speaking of cleaning, I picked up 2 hand soaps. I got one for our master bathroom, and I got one for our guest bathroom. So this is the one for our bathroom, and I just really liked the packaging of it. So this is the Wild Nature Hemp Oil Hand Wash. This is infused with hemp oil, and I picked this up for $5.99. So it's a really nice big size for good hand washing practices. And I also picked up this one. This is the Shine Bright Balsam Fir Hand Soap infused with essential oils. It's it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's gluten-free, paraben-free, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And this one is also $5.99. And then final 2 items that I picked up is, now let me just say, you cannot go to TJ Maxx without buying some food because it's just impossible. So I picked up the Favorite. This is the Premium Preserves Red Cherry Preserves, and if you have never tried cherry preserves, let me tell you, you're missing out. These are so amazing on toast or French toast or lost bread. Surprisingly enough, this is a product of Switzerland, and it is $3.49, which isn't bad for something coming from Switzerland. And then last but not least, you know your girl had to get something for herself, and this is what it is. So I couldn't pass up this really pretty wine glass. I'm going to be using it tonight because, baby, I deserve it. So I picked this up for $3.99, and I thought it was really, really pretty. And yeah, so that is the final thing that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I can't show y'all what I got from Walmart because it's going to be a surprise in the next video. So that's going to do it for this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it and found it fun, helpful, interesting, entertaining at the very least. If you like this video and you want to subscribe, please do. I had to think about it for a second. And yeah, that's going to do it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. And I'm going to be seeing y'all very, very soon. Amos wants to say bye too because he's right behind me.
Flakes falling down, it's not Christmas time without you.
No, it don't feel right without you.